Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this Tapo or Tapo Smart IoT and IR Hub. It's the Tapo H110. It's you can connect an application on your smartphone with it, and then you can control all ER devices in your home. So this is the box, as you can see it. It is yeah, not so big. It is yeah. It's very nice to work with. I already unboxed many Tapo products and I really like it a lot, and it's cheap. It's good and it's cheap. So we are going to unbox this. I also want to say you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So please subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away a lot of electronics, laptops, computers, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of things. So yeah, I advise you to subscribe to our channel. And also, if you like this video, please like it. So if you like it, you can get more from this content. So as you can see it, this is in the box. The box is already empty. So I go to put the box here. There is a quick start guide, an USB-C cable to USB-A, and then you have the product itself. Voila. So I see this is some double-sided tape, and then you have the IR controller itself. Here you see it. There is some how do you say it? There is for screws. So you can see screws here. It's the Tapo H110, and then you see here screws. There is a button here, and then you have the plastic. I think something for audio here, maybe opening. And then the USB-C cable goes here. Voila, we do the plastic away, and then you see this is the product. This is my hand, so you see how big it is. So yeah, I hope you like my video, and also please check out my other Tapo products in my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.